Hello everyone, if you're trying to play Hytale and you keep getting this problem, Hytale has crashed with error 0x00 is an invalid start of a value, then you have come to the right place because in this video I'm going to show you how easy it is to fix this annoying problem on Hytale easily. So first off, what you can try to do is you can open up your game, and then what you're going to do is you're going to click onto this settings icon at the top left corner of the launcher. When you click onto it, you're going to go into uninstall, and once you go into uninstall, you'll have a button saying validate your game's files. So you're going to click onto that button and it will verify or validate your game's files. Once it's done with that, then what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and restart your computer. And once you're done with the restart, now what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Hytale game and you're going to try to play the game, and you'll see that your game will now most definitely work. If it still doesn't, then what you can try to do is you can reset your game settings. So just go into your settings and try to reset your game settings. And once it does that, now you can restart your game and you can check if that fixes the issue. If it still doesn't, then the last thing you can try to do is you can reinstall your game. So just open up your start menu, right on here, add or remove, and then uninstall your Hytale. And once you're done with that, now you can try to install it, but make sure to install it in a different location. So for example, if you have the game in your C drive, try to install it in your D drive. If you have it in your D drive, try to install it in your C drive or any other drives that you may have. And once you're done with that, now you can hopefully play the game. So just guys, that's how easy it was. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.